Yeah, I'm the Butterfly King. As you, some of you called me the Butterfly King. I love it. Thank you for that. I'm a queen and not a king. I'm kidding. Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Little reminder that as you watch this video, I am in Italy with Jamie for our holidays. So, and just a little note that all orders that are going to be placed on the website, I've shipped them as soon as I can. I have limited Wi-Fi. I have Wi-Fi when with my mum and dad house. Of course, when I'm outside, I don't have Wi-Fi because I have a British phone with me. So Jamie has Wi-Fi. I have a different contract. So yeah, don't want to go into details. So, but yeah, the whole point is bear with me. I will ship the order as soon as I can. Today I want to play with these washi tapes. They were part of the Craspire collaboration. I have done an unboxing video and I will put the video at the end of this video and link it down below in case you guys want to go and watch it. So me and Craspire had a collaboration. So I'm going to show you how to play with these washi tapes. They are beautiful. So you got different size and different shapes, and again I will put the link down below. If you want to purchase these products, you get a cheeky discount code. So you got the map, you got some squares, you got some vintage Paris, yeah, very Parisian. Then you got a little, I was trying to read it. In fact, I could probably read it to you here. He says, the most happy way, we often hurt, we feel tired, just want too much. We always say life is trivial as usual. No, sorry, it's actually, I don't understand. Oh, it's always random. Sorry, I thought it was just a poem, but they're just random phrases. Oh, never mind. Thank God I didn't go on and on and on, because it wouldn't make any sense, wouldn't it? Then we got this one is my favorite one. In fact, I have used it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It's like a brownish ephemera, and all these colors, I think they blend very well together. Then you got one with tickets, which is this one, and one with some vintage handwriting, which is this one here. And this one here. So I love playing with washi tape. I'm not a washi tape fan. I don't really do like journaling or using this a lot, but I love washi tapes to create background. You know, I'm very artistic. I know a lot of you won't like these sort of things, but I'm very, for me, art is, I have my own opinion. Like, to me, this is very artistic. I love it. I love the texture. I love how the colors blend. I love everything. And in fact, I think Pablo Picasso, which is one of my favorite artists, always said art is chaos taking shape, and I love it for that. So literally glued them all together, glued them and put it all together and created this little background. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my stamps. I got, well, how organized my biggest, this is my A4 stamps. I got this huge binder, and I use these little pockets here, and I put the stamps in there so I can see them straight away and pick them. I love this one, but we used this already. I think I'm going to go, because I was looking at it earlier. I do like this one. Because we got dragonfly, we got some texture, we got another vintage handwriting. Love that. In fact, let's get these out. Put this back in there. Bear with me. Ooh, it's so heavy. It's huge. I got 4 of these. That's how much stamps I've got. No more buying. So, I really like this. Well, the original plan, this is why art is so chaotic. The original plan was to cut this in 4 and have 4 cards. I do like those two. Right. Right, okay. That's fine. Right, I'm going out, right. Change your plan. I'm going to get going to get maybe 4 of those. No, I can do 4 of those because I love that, but I think those 2 will work really well with this background. Gonna have 4 of those, 2 of each, and then the rest I do 2 cards, and we're gonna use these beautiful stamps. Don't ask me where it's from because I have no idea. I'm sure, well, 100% it comes from a crafty magazine. Knowing this style is either the Blue Indigo magazine or something like that. So it's somebody's watch. Yeah, it's from Practical Publishing. So it's definitely a craft magazine. We just need to understand which one. So yeah, so I'm going to get my inks and blocking. I'm not just gonna put some music, guys, because when I stamp, you know, I got this really annoying desk when I make a noise. If I do like a little bang, everything is amplified. So I'm gonna have a little play. I'll still show you with some music so you don't get annoyed, and then I will be right back. Okay, guys, there's been a lot of changes of plans as usual. So I just want to share with you, this is one of my favorite ever product on this planet. It's the stamping scrub from Stampin' Up. You don't have to, I mean, it's quite expensive. You don't have to buy this because you can make this yourself, but you've got 2, don't even ask me what you call this in English. It's like 2 mats, like hairy fairy mat. One with you spray, and I got this little spray here with some fairy wash, like soap, to wash, the one you use to wash your dishes, and then clean in there, and then you dry in here, and then you save your time cleaning your stamps later on and your block. And this is the Stampin' Up Block E. So, you know, I'm not a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so don't worry, I'm not selling you anything. But I got to share. I think Stampin' Up is quite expensive sometimes for what you get. But I must admit, guys, if you want to invest in something great, get your blocks, get your trimmer, and I got the blades. I got another pack of blades, and then get your scrub, because these 3 products to my eyes are the best. So, right, what happened? Let me explain what's happened. So, this way. So as you can see, I stamped the first image. So I've done with the Archival Inkfest, didn't like it. I've done with the normal acid-free ink. I liked it, but it's still not dark enough. What I didn't take into consideration that the washi tape has got that plasticky finish. So the washi tape it hasn't got like, oh, got black anyway. It hasn't got a matte finish. It's not like you stamp on paper, and I didn't think of that. So when I stamped it, you get this effect where I don't really like it. I would have preferred if it was darker. But what I did like is the effect on this stamp here, the one, I need some black, which is the one with the flowers. So I stamped this on a piece of paper, and I love that. I think this is really nice if it's stamped on the white background, but with these you just literally not seeing it. I did like the effect on that because you can still see the image underneath, and you can still see the texture of the stamp. Can you see the squares? Can you see the flowers? I love that. So what I thought then, why don't we cut it into 4 tags? And I'm going to do this off camera, but I will then trim it like this. And I'm going to put the hole in there, and I'm going to ink all the edges just to give that extra vintagey feeling. So on here, what I've done, I have used this stamp 4 times, okay? And what I did, when I stamp it onto the sheet that we created, I give it different pressure. So on this one, I put the ink, and I literally put it on top like this, and literally take it off instantly. So you can see the stamp, but mostly you see the image. Then I did it again on this time the intensity was a bit harder. Okay, sorry, I got ink everywhere. So you can still see the design on the underneath, but you see the stamp more compared to this one. Can you see the 2 different intensity? Third time I press even harder, and you can still see it, and you see the stamp probably better. And the last time I proper press like you would press when you normal stamp on your paper. Okay, so you got, if you look at the 4th stamp versus the first one, you see this more. Okay, so just to give you an idea, so how you change the pressure, you get 4 different looks. And I do this a lot of time especially when I work with this sort of stamps that you got quite a lot of different texture. Depends on what effect do you want to give. If you like something that is more darker, or if you like something that is more subtle. Okay, so I'm going to create my tags, and I'll be right back. I think I'm going to use, because I love them, but they're very plain. I think, excuse me, sorry guys, oof, sneezing. I think I'm going to use, this is my new Pussycat butterfly skit. It's more like autumnal colors, so you've got all these beautiful butterflies in more like a brown, red and black tones. I mean, look at that, that's gorgeous. I think we're gonna put 1 butterfly on each tag because it's rude not to. Done, that's better, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I mean, I know I know how much I love butterflies, and I try not to use them in every video, but sometimes I can't help it. I really can't help it. So yeah, I'm the butterfly king, as you some of you called me the butterfly king. I love it. Thank you for that. I'm a queen and not a king. I'm kidding. Right, so look at what difference it makes. And what I normally do with the butterflies, I fold them in a way that looks like they're flying, so you get this 3D effect. Okay, so just gonna give you a quick tour of the tags. Very simple, but I mean, guys, you don't have to use washi tape. You can use collage, you can use printing like printable, and do little strips. But when I saw this washi tapes from Craspire, I was like, yes, I need to play with them. I need to do something like that. So right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for Craspire for collaboration. If you wish to purchase any of the products I've used today, just click there is a link down below. Just click on info box, you see all the links in there. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a fabulous week. And until Wednesday, stay safe and well.